Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting video in the series of our training. And in this video, I'll be talking about affiliate marketing. Now, the question I get most times from a lot of persons is, oh, I have started my affiliate marketing business. I got a course, I've gone through the course, I don't know what to do, I don't know where to start. I've registered, I've done this, I've done that, but I don't know what to do as an affiliate marketer. Now, in this video, if you are new to the concept of affiliate marketing, that is, if you are looking for ways to solve your money problems with your smartphone and your PC, this is also a video that can actually help you. Okay, so in this video I'll be talking about 4 steps to begin your affiliate marketing journey successfully. And by the way, if you're meeting me for the very first time, my name is Daniel Ebomo and I teach on the concept of business ideas. I teach on sales and marketing and of course personal development. Now, if any of these topics seems to interest you, just hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and then you will get notified every time I share amazing content like the one you're about to see. Now, if you have always wanted to start and it seems like you're confused and you don't know where to start when it comes to your affiliate marketing journey, then watch this video to the end because I have a special gift I'll be giving to you that will help you increase your sales from this day henceforth. Now, the first thing you must know is that as an affiliate marketer, the first and most important thing you must do is, if you are registered in any of the affiliate marketing platforms, either Xpartner, either StakeCode, is that Digistem, whatever it is, Sabi Mentors, whatever it is that the platform that you've registered on, the first thing that you must do is you must go through the marketplace, the product marketplace, and do a concrete product research. Okay, I did a video which I'll be adding in the description below. I'll be sharing the link in the description below. You can go and check it out, and then you would see how to do a product research. Now, if you have decided on the product you want to promote, and this video is strictly for those that have gone through the phase of product research and they already know the product they want to promote. Now, these are 4 things that you can actually do to increase your sales as an affiliate marketer. Now, the first thing is you must create a pre-sale. You must create pre-sales. You must create lead magnet. Of course, you must offer free gift. That is the first thing. Now, when we talk about pre-sale, most people think it is just copying your affiliate link and pasting it on your WhatsApp status and then expect people to buy. No, a pre-sale is a quality or a valuable detailed content that you can share in order to educate or to inform people about a particular product or services. Now, the aim of creating a pre-sale is not to sell. It is for what? For what? Arousing interest. It is for what? For educating, and it's for what? It is for you to make people understand what? That this is something that you are doing and has worked and that is working for others. So you are not telling them you are selling to them, but rather you are helping them to see the essence of having this particular product, but you are not selling to them. Now, having a pre-sale is one. Now, a pre-sale can come in different formats or in different ways. A pre-sale most times can be done via organic ways or paid ways. The best ways I would always advise beginner affiliate marketers when they are starting out is, whenever you are creating a pre-sale, use your social media platforms, use your website or your blog if you have one, as a means of creating valuable content. This content you are creating can be on your Facebook timeline, can be on your Twitter timeline, can be on your can be a video on Instagram, it can be a graphic or an image on Instagram, it can be a video on TikTok. So whatever it is that you're doing, it should be something that conveys a valuable message. That is a pre-sale without the intention of selling. Now, another way you can use pre-sale is for you to go to Facebook groups. When you go to Facebook groups, you join international groups that are related to your niche, and then you create valuable content that people in that particular group would find worthy, and then they would come and meet you and they would ask you. For instance, now, if you are promoting the Amazon Kindle Publishing course, let's say you're promoting one of these Amazon KDP courses, and then you want people to know you. The first thing you are doing is with pre-sale, you are able to build your influence and grow authority in your niche. So what you are doing is you go to Facebook groups, both local and international groups, and then you create valuable content. I see most people coming to Facebook groups and then the next thing they start doing is that promoting the courses they are offering. No, create pre-sale, create valuable content that people can read. They can reach out to you and ask you questions. You build authority over time. So you leverage one, your Facebook timeline, your social media timeline, of course, and of course Facebook groups, and of course forums. Now another thing you can do in this pre-sale era is the ability to leverage the comment section of influencers or authorities in your niche. This one way to actually create pre-sale. When you are promoting an affiliate marketing product, if someone creates a post that is related to what you are promoting as a product, you have to strategically make comments that will not be offensive and that will not be sexy. Okay, so you're not coming to sell, but you're commenting so that people can ask you questions, and then they can reach out to you and they can make further inquiries. But one thing I know most people do is they just go copy their product they're promoting, copy the link and share it on other people's posts. It doesn't work that way. It is even wrong, and it will even make Facebook to shadow ban you. So what you do is you learn to comment strategically under influencers and of course authority in your niche. Now another thing you can do when it comes to pre-sale, I've explained the concept of pre-sale. Now the next thing is lead magnet. So you can create a lead magnet. Lead magnet is anything that you offer a prospect in order for you to get their details. Anything you are offering a prospect in order for you to get their details. This can be an ebook, it can be a video, it can be a webinar. Now if you're creating a video, the easiest way to go about it is you can create a video and then you host it on YouTube, and then you explain the whole concept of your affiliate product or the service you are promoting. Another thing you can do is when it comes to having a free gift or a lead magnet is that you can create a webinar. This can be a Telegram live stream, it can be a Zoom live stream, it can be a Facebook live stream, it can be a WhatsApp group training or a WhatsApp masterclass. Now basically the idea here is very simple. You are not selling anything, you are giving them something of value. But as you're giving them something of value, the first thing is that you are taking from them their contact details. You take them to your autoresponder, or you add them to your WhatsApp list. Now, I've said this before, follow as many foreign groups as you can, not to advertise, but to share, encourage, and answer questions. That's what you should do. So if you're not doing any of these, know that you're wasting your time and your effort if you're using organic traffic. And the next thing is that you should always ask, observe and see this in these groups. What are their burning questions? What feedback can you give about your product and your business in order for you to answer these questions that they are answering? Okay, so after you've done all of this, now you should know that with your pre-sale, with your lead magnet, or with your free gift, you have to sell what the potential customer will be able to benefit with what you are offering. Don't sell what you are offering, because that's one thing most people mistake when they talk about selling as an affiliate marketer. They just want to sell to people what they are offering. No, you sell to people the benefits of the products that they are buying. Okay, so having said that, the next thing is that you tell people in your pre-sale, your lead magnet, or your free gift, you tell people how your product solves their problem. Does it make it easier for them to do what they want to do? Does it make it faster? Does it make it less cheaper? Or does it take the headache from them? Does it reduce their stress when they get the product? So if you are promoting, let's say, the Amazon KDP course, which I was referring to in the first place, see the things that people are actually complaining about when it comes to Amazon KDP, like low sales, like filling the tax information and what have you. See all of these things, and then you add them to your pre-sale or to your lead magnet or to your free gifts. Okay, once you are able to provide solution to people's problem, you share the benefit to them, you tell them how much the product can solve their problems, it becomes easier for you to sell to them. This is the part most people are actually missing. Here is one thing most affiliates used to miss. As an affiliate, what you can do for the prospect or the lead is more important than what you do as a person. So when you go Make them see that what you are profiling help. They should see you as an authority in your niche. They should see you as someone they are able to liaise with. So with this, you will be able to what to make sales. Now tell them what you can do for them and not what you do. Tell them how you can help them. Tell them how your product can be beneficial to them. And then this is what how you can start making sales as an affiliate. And the next thing is, if you're creating your pre-sale or your lead magnet, is do not focus on what your product cost is. Don't focus on the product cost. You have to what make them see what the reason to believe in the return on investment, that is the ROI that your product is going to bring. If they're going to be investing 20k per se, how much will they be able to get in the next couple of weeks or let's say months if they should do that investment? So make them see the reason why they should invest, because they're going to be getting what a better ROI. Now, one thing I also see people do, or affiliate marketers do, is that what they often tend to sell multiple products at the same time. If you're starting out, it is wrong. Don't pick two products and start promoting simultaneously. No, you pick a product, you go through the product sales page, you do product research, do all you have to do, master the product, know the product like the back of your finger. Okay, so that is when you'll be able to promote the product. Don't promote multiple products at the same time, otherwise you get confused along the way. Now, having said that, the next thing you should do is, if you already have your pre-sale, your lead magnets, or your free gift, these three things are the same thing, no difference. They are the same thing. You can either use one or both, or you can use the three of them. They serve the same purpose. Okay, so having said that, the next thing you have to do is that what you have to create a squeeze page. Now, a squeeze page is specifically designed to collect the names, the phone numbers, and emails and hold them in your autoresponder. Most people don't know how to create a squeeze page. Now, as an affiliate marketer, it is good that you direct leads, okay, from your traffic, but you must also learn to ensure that what these prospects, they are saved in your autoresponder. Now, you might not understand the whole concept of sales funnel, but if you are using WhatsApp, for instance, ensure that anybody that comes to your WhatsApp that has indicated interest in getting your free gift, getting your lead magnet, getting your or reading through your pre-sale, and they love what you share and they want to get more questions or they want to find more answers, don't forget to save their contact. Okay, you save their contact because one, you want to nurture them. Two, you want to follow them up. So you must learn to save their contact. Now, when it comes to squeeze page is also known as what? As opt-in page. And like I told you before, it is used to collect the details of prospects. Now, when you create a squeeze page, it helps you to keep barriers of entry and makes it easier for you to attract the right audience. Now, most times you see somebody, they indicate interest, and it's not as if they are interested, or they just saw the ad and they just click, they just comment. Now, so when you create a squeeze page, you can tell them, okay, look, attention, this product is only for affiliate marketers. Attention, this product is only for struggling Amazon Kindle Direct publishers. So once you learn to outline these things, it becomes easier for them to read through and they know who the product is specifically for. Okay. Now, there are a lot of ways you can build a squeeze page as an affiliate marketer. You can use Cognito Forms, you can use Card.co, you can use Systeme.io, and of course, you can even use your WordPress website. Now, if you don't know how to build a squeeze page, here comes this amazing offer that will teach you how to build a squeeze page from scratch, even without prior experience. Okay, so we've talked about having a pre-sale, having a lead magnet, and of course having a free gift that you can give to your prospects in order for you to get their contact. And then went ahead to talk about having a squeeze page wherein they can fill in their details, and of course you can add them to your autoresponder. Now, one thing I want you to know is sometimes your sales funnel can simply be from your Facebook ads directly to your WhatsApp, and then you can save their contacts. Okay, but if that is not the case, if you want to build a squeeze page, you can use Cognito, you can use Card, you can use Systeme.io, and of course you can use your WordPress website if you have one. Now, the next thing we'll be talking about here now is having a sales page. Now, this is not majorly what you should have as an affiliate marketer, but you must know that whatever product you are promoting as an affiliate, the product should have a high converting sales page. You as an affiliate, when you open the sales page of the product you want to promote, does it actually interest you? Does it arouse interest in you to buy? If it doesn't, I think you should not promote that product, because boring sales page would lead to boring conversions. Pick and promote a product that you can easily know that the sales page will convert your traffic, your visitors, your prospects and leads into paying customers. If your sales page or the sales page of the vendor whose product you're promoting does not spell conversion, man, you should distance yourself from it, otherwise you'll be wasting your money on ads and traffic. You're wasting your time to do follow-up and nurturing, and at the end of the day you might not make what sales. So it is important now, do not promote products without high converting sales page. I am saying it again, do not. So we've talked about three things so far. Talked about having a pre-sale, a lead magnet, or a free gift, a squeeze page, and of course we talked about was a sales page. Now these are three things I've talked about, and then the final thing you must know for you to start your affiliate marketing business is traffic generation, or what is often referred to as media buying. Now, traffic generation or traffic itself is the lifeblood or the life fire of every profitable business that you do online. If the more people get to know about what you're offering, the more your chances of making sales. So if people don't get to know about what you're offering, then you might end up not making sales. So for you to make sales, you must ensure that you consistently drive or generate traffic on daily basis. Get these through your funnel every single day. Get a lot of people to know about your product. If it is 10, if it is 100, if it is 200, if it is 1,000 persons, you want them to know about your product. You have to promote your product by doing what? Traffic generation. If you stop generating traffic, you will stop making sales. So generate traffic. Now there are two major ways of generating traffic. You have the organic and you have the paid. Now, the organic is more or less like some of the things I talked about in the section where we talked about pre-sale and lead magnets, where it's about going to Facebook groups, going to forums, going to Twitter, creating YouTube videos, and all this stuff that are there. Now, all of these are organic ways. Now, for the paid traffic, which is the most effective traffic method, is running social media ads. This can be Facebook ads, it can be Instagram business ads, it can be TikTok ads, it can be Google ads, YouTube ads, but basically these are paid ways of getting. Now, the most funny thing or the most interesting thing about paid traffic is that what you get the right audience. If you know how to read very well, you get the right audience to see your affiliate marketing product, or they see your ads, and then they're able to come through to your funnel. Now, here is one of the things a lot of people don't understand. When it's an affiliate marketing business, you have to learn how to run ads effectively. Now, sometimes you might make mistakes. If you are interested in starting affiliate marketing and you don't know where to start, and you've seen this video and you want to get started right away, then you should consider joining the Digital Marketing Blueprint program, which would give you all the details you need to get started and grow a profitable affiliate marketing business. Now, you've seen this training, it's all encompassing. It has 6 modules that teaches you various digital skills and businesses that can help you grow your business online. Now, having said all of these, don't forget it is for just a token of 1,000 naira. When you sign up, you get more details as per where to get started. And the most interesting thing is that what you will start completely for free and even learn how to grow what recurring commission. And just promote affiliate products with recurring commission. So that is all for this video. My name is Daniel Bomo. If there's anything you don't understand, please don't forget to hit me a comment in the comment section, and I'll be able to provide answers to them. And don't forget to share this video, hit the subscribe button, and of course the notification bell. Thank you so much for seeing this video. I will see you in the next video.